Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at the monthly review for My Legion Secrets. So June month of how it went, what's the kind of results, everything else. I'm going to talk to you about my strategies. So hope you enjoy this video and make sure that you watch till the very end for a special bonus. Here we go, guys. I'm on my screen and I wanted to share with you exactly. So these videos that I have been doing every single month are for you to see the progress, the proof, the results, what's happening, what's not happening, how to actually get these results when it comes to affiliate marketing. So what are we going to cover in this video? A couple of things. One is we're going to look at the exact formula that I'm using for My Legion Secrets. So that's the first thing. The second thing that we're going to be doing is we are going to be looking at the results. So how much have I made? What's if there's any profit, anything like that. We're also going to be looking at Warrior Plus and to see whether there's buyer traffic on that and why am I using Warrior Plus. I'm getting better results there, obviously. And finally, you can also find two playlists in the description of this video. One is to My Legion Secrets training, so other videos, strategies, etc. In fact, let me just go to my YouTube channel so you actually see what I wanted to show you. So let's just go to my channel and we will go to videos, or actually playlists. And you can see right here, there is a playlist to My Legion Secrets, which is all about the training itself that I think around, if I'm not mistaken, I think if I'm not mistaken, there are around 15 videos so far. Yeah, 15 videos so far, but all of them starting from day one of when I got started. So 14 days when I got my first result to where we are right now and what's the journey been like. So it's been about March, April, May, June. So it's the fourth month that I'm using personally My Legion Secrets as a traffic source. So let's go ahead and actually share with you what My Legion Secrets is. Now, in the description of this video, I also would like to say that you will be seeing a link to this page right here. And this page will give you all the information about My Legion Secrets as an offer, as a product, a service, etc. that you can see. Okay, so basically what it does is it gives you 100 to 200 leads every single day. So instead of going out and paying for Google ads, Bing ads, and so on and so forth, or buying solo ads and stuff like that, My Legion Secrets has about 10, if I'm not mistaken, 10 partners that they work with that supply them with these leads, and they are supplying you with the possibility to email these leads every single day. So the point over here is two things. I think it solves two problems. One, it solves the problem of going out and finding these 100 to 200 leads every single day, firstly. And secondly, it solves the problem of actually emailing and learning email marketing or copy as your skill set in affiliate marketing. So this is the second thing that's pretty valuable to know. Okay, these are the two skill sets that I personally think that are needed in affiliate marketing, and that's what you're getting basically with My Legion Secrets. How much does it cost? It costs $1 per day, $60 in the first month, and then $30 every single month after that. The reason is that they have a $30 per month, $30 a month first month setup fee. That's all. So you're paying 60 and then 30 every single month after that. So personally, I'm spending $30 every single month to get this, and I will show you guys my results. Now, obviously, there are different levels. You can have multiple accounts. I just have one account. I don't have more than one account, so I spend $30 every single day, and all the information is on this page. So I'm not going to go into detail. I use this purely for the 100 and 200 leads every single day. That's why I joined, guys. I do have a full-time job. I have a 9 to 5. I work, pretty heavily. So this is something that I can work in the 5 to 10 minutes every single morning before I get started with my day, and it's been generating me results. That's personally how I do it. I follow this formula right here, which is basically step one is including My Legion Secrets to an offer. And why to an offer directly to a sales page? Because these are email leads. If it was not email leads, I would be sending them to a landing page or a squeeze page so I can collect the emails and then have them on my list. In this way, I know that they're on a list already, and I'm going to send them out emails so that they can now make a buying decision. That's the whole point. I'm sending an email out to them so that they can make a buying decision whether they want to buy that offer or not. That's how I'm doing it. So send it to an offer, get a sale, and then I'm using those funds, I'm using the profits that I earn to buy more traffic and follow the second step. But we are just going to be talking about this step right here, which is My Legion Secrets to an offer, and then finally, obviously, to the sales that you can see right here. So that's the whole process that we're following. And as I said, I use it as a traffic source. I do not use this as an income source. It's becoming an income source. I'm very happy that it's becoming an income source, but I don't primarily use it as an income source. That being said, let's go ahead and actually see the results on My Legion Secrets itself. Okay, so I'm going to go over the numbers first and foremost, and then I'm going to show you proof of those numbers. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually do this because I posted and this is not yet approved. So it's still in the pending post, but it's the 27th of June that I'm posting this. So there's still 3 days left of the month. Basically going to share with you the numbers as you see right here. So right now I have 8 active affiliates or referrals in My Legion Secrets itself. This is generating me an income of $40 per month. I pay $30 per month, so I'm basically getting a $10 profit per month right now by having 8 active referrals. So this traffic source is now becoming free for me, but I'm using it on a regular basis. So that's one thing. And I'm waiting for 3 more payments this month. So I right now have $25, if I'm not mistaken, in the account. I'll show you that in a second. And I'm waiting for 3 more payments so that it arrives to $40 and I will make a withdrawal. And that's this month's withdrawal. That being said, Warrior Plus sales that are there are 12 that I made this month. I will share with you. Warrior Plus is basically a network that I use to generate sales, to generate income, to generate commissions. And I made 12 sales this month using this traffic. And that the sales cost, so the cost of the product itself, total cost of whatever I sold is $400 worth of products, out of which I got commissions of $249. So totally, if I add them up, it's around $289 minus 30. So the total profit for this month is $259. So easily $200 every single month. And I've been doing this consistently now for the last 3 months, 4 months, and I've been making more than $200 per month. So this method, purely this method, if you want to make it so simple and just follow this method, although I don't suggest, I highly suggest to follow the entire, like use it as a cash flow, use it a funded proposal, and then go ahead and use and buy traffic. That's personally the way I'm teaching everybody. But if you don't, then you can still make $200 a month in this manner. So that's pretty nice to see. Go ahead. Those are the numbers. And I just have one account. This is very important for me to say. I'm not going to go over the tips. You can see this right here, and I'm going to be showing you guys in a second. So let's go ahead and log into My Legion Secrets so that you see how it is in My Legion Secrets itself. Okay, guys, so I'm logged in, and as you can see, I have been sending out emails every single day. Now, if you want to know about the strategy that I'm using, if you want to know exactly how I'm sending out the emails, how I'm getting conversions, everything is in this playlist in the description. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, but also you can check out the playlist in the description of this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you My Legion Secrets. This is the back office. Once you join, you can have a quick start. You can see the resources and basically using this mailing system right here to select your leads that they give you every single day. And now you get 200 every day only if you refer somebody. So if you don't refer anybody, you'll just have 100 leads every single day. And you can send out an email every 24 hours. That's pretty much it, once a day. Just to show you, I've been sending out an email every single day. My results for the emails I'm sending to 9,000 only, just because it caps out at 9,000. So this is very important for you guys to understand. Once you have an account, it caps out at 9,000, and then the older leads you don't send to. So if I go to the mailing system right here, and you can see select, I have 21,000 leads, not 9,000, 21,000 leads. But if I select all, it'll only select the 9,000 right here. I need to request if I want everything to be selected, but the newest ones are here. So I'm fine with sending to 9,000 people every single day. And once the account gets the max, then I will maybe release it and send to everybody. But for now, I want to keep it at 9,000. If you guys want to know reasons for that, you can get in, the Facebook group, and I can talk to you guys about reasons for that. But it basically helps the open rate. I'm getting new people to see it. So the older people who have seen my emails for too long, they don't need to get my emails. And I'm getting about 100 to 200 clicks every single day. This is what I'm focused on. Ideally, to get to even 300 would be nice, but even 100 to 200 is fine for me every single day. So that's what I'm aiming for on my clicks. The reason why I want clicks is that every single week now I'm making sales because of it. What the strategy that I follow and the plan that I follow, and I wanted to share with you right here, is 5 days a week. 5 days a week, I send it to my primary offer, which is on Warrior Plus, and 2 days of the week, I send it to a high ticket offer with My Legion Secrets is as a, let's say, additional income stream that's there. Okay, so these are the emails. Let me just show you how I do that. So if I go, for example, spare time here, you can see that there is a link to my high ticket offer, and here we'll go to My Legion Secrets itself. So that's pretty much how I'm doing it. And let's go to affiliate so that you see. And I'm going to go to, okay guys, so you can see right here that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 payments right now in this month. So that means $35 right? And I'm expecting one more payment on the 30th of this month. That's a recurring payment, one more payment. So that would reach to $40 in the month. But I've already made a withdrawal. So that's why I have only $25. And once it hits 30, I'm going to be withdrawing again. And basically every time it hits $30, I withdraw from the account. I've earned so far 100 and 115. So it's pretty much on par with everything else. And if you go right here, you can see that I have 8 members, as I mentioned, as my upgraded members or active affiliates. And then I have 1 affiliate, which is basically somebody who has gone off, who's not paying anymore, and they can still be an affiliate. Although they're not paying, they can still, recommend My Legion Secrets to other people and earn from that. But I have at least 8 active members, and this is what is important for me to have. My aim over here is to even just get to, 20 to 30 is fine. I don't need a big team, as long as it's generating me $100, $200. And this is just extra bonus income, to be honest. So that's how it's earning. It's now becoming an income source, but I never joined My Legion Secrets. And I want you guys to understand this. I never joined My Legion Secrets to be an income source. I joined it for the 100 leads every single day. Guys, that's what I'm doing. And I'm practicing email marketing on a daily basis, following this formula to generate a cash flow. Now, let me go to transactions in Warrior Plus, which is a network marketplace for affiliate marketing offers. And I'm just going to go to just put the dates. Let's put June, entire month of June. Let's pull myself a little bit. Let's do that. And we put the 27th and go. Now, as you can see, in the whole month of June, I made $311 in commissions. And so that's, you can see the difference. Okay, so 17 sales is what I made. And if I put My Legion Secrets, which is what I track, you can see 12 of the out of those 17, 12 of them were just My Legion Secrets. So 249 was made from My Legion Secrets. And here you can see right here, out of which I've made like, $70 in commissions. People are buying products even worth $147. So you can make high ticket sales if you want to. It's just about being consistent with it, and you can make it at least, say if you want one high ticket commission every single month, you can make $1,000 a month just using My Legion Secrets and making one sale every single month. So it's pretty doable. It's only whatever you want to achieve, you definitely have to think about it. Like I said, I have a series below, which is how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. You can check that out if you want to follow along. This is the monthly results. I'm pretty happy. It's basically getting me $200 plus every single month with My Legion Secrets, $200, $250. This is what it's getting me for the last 3 months. And I will continue to document this journey every single month. So make sure that you do subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get updates for it. And if you want any of the strategies, as I mentioned, there's going to be a link to the playlist. I wanted to keep this short, simple, and give you guys the facts of this video. If you have any questions, comment below, let me know, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.